didn't see you there. Hello, welcome to Know Your Workplace Cancer Risk with Royce Summers. I'm your host, Royce Summers. How are you today? That's wonderful. Know Your Workplace Cancer Risk with Royce Summers, of course, is the weekly call-in, write-in, text-in show in which we answer your workplace carcinogen risk questions and help you rekindle your workplace safety romance. What do you say we get started with the show? And today's topic is welding. And it looks like the lines are already lighting up. Good evening, caller. You're on the air.
Yeah, g'day Royce. I'm Grant here. I'm a factory machinist out of Gunbar, and I bloody love welding. Royce, mate, I had no idea welding had carcinogenic effects. Swear to God, couldn't believe it when I heard it. I mean, yeah, what's that all about? I guess is my question.
Great question, Grant. Welding is a Group 1 carcinogen and one of the leading cancer-causing agents in the workplace. Welding carcinogens consist of two main types, welding fume and UV radiation. Welding fume is made up of microscopic particles capable of being absorbed by the lungs, potentially leading to lung cancer. UV radiation is reflected off hard, smooth surfaces, exposing you to sunburn, eye damage, skin cancer, eye melanoma, and cataracts. Thank you for the call, Grant. Hello, caller.
Hi, Royce. Liz here. Been watching the show for years. Big fans over here in the Parazzo family. Royce, I have a question for you, which has really been bugging me for years. Responsibility in the workplace. Honestly, whose is it? I mean, is it the companies, the workers, the government? Because I don't know anymore. Okay then.
Great question, Liz. By law, the health and safety in the workplace is both the responsibility of the workplace and the worker. An employer ensures the health and safety of their employees by reducing risks in the workplace environment. An employee must take reasonable care for their own health and safety, not negatively affect the health and safety of others, and must follow any reasonable instructions and workplace policy of which they have been notified. Thank you, Liz and the Parazzos. A text message. It reads, Royce, when welding, what should I be looking out for that will increase my risk of exposure to carcinogens? L8RZ, smiley face winking, thumbs up emoji, Sean83. Thank you for the message, Sean83. Cancer risk from welding generally depends on a number of things. The type of welding process, the material being welded, the contaminants in the air, the consumables being used, the shielding flux or gas, power settings, the location of welding, or the length of time welding. Nice to hear from you, Sean83. I'd like to end tonight's show with a unique shopping opportunity for our viewers watching at home this evening. Ever wanted to know how to properly respond to a workplace carcinogen risk, but just simply didn't know how? Introducing the hierarchy of risk control. As you can see, the diagram ranks the effectiveness of control measures and level of protection required to help workplaces improve safety control measures and reduce exposure to welding fume and UV on site. Remove paint or coatings from surfaces before welding, welding processes that produce less fume and radiation, local exhaust and forced dilution ventilation, rotate job tasks between workers, and use full-face PPE welding helmets and respiratory protection. Plenty of control measures for you to choose from. Why not combine them all for the best results? Normally valued at $19.95, this comes to you as a free download courtesy of Cancer Council and Know Your Workplace Cancer Risk with Royce Summers. If you would like to know more about workplace cancers or feel you've been exposed to a cancer-causing agent, contact Workplace Management, your health and safety representative, state and territory work, health and safety regulators, Safe Work Australia, or your doctor. Or simply contact Cancer Council and download your own No Workplace Cancer Welding fact sheet. That's all the time we have for this week on Know Your Workplace Cancer Risk with Royce Summers. I've been your host, Royce Summers. I look forward to joining you again next week and helping you overcome your workplace carcinogen risks. Thank you, and good night, everybody.